Plymouth Blue, or they're called Sapphire Gem, I think, or Sapphire Blue Plymouth. They're not the barred one. So she's 6 weeks old, and we might let them free range maybe when it gets warmer. We live in Chicago, so we're in the northern part. It's cold, but they said Plymouth Blue and Amberlink are cold and hot hardy. And these little chickies are Americanas. Their signature is their cheeks. They got a furry cheek, and they are a week old. These cuties, look at their cheeks. I really love it. There's chunky cheeks. So that's their signature. Amberlink, this is Amberlink. They're the same age as Plymouth Blue. They are 6 weeks old. And I read about Amberlink. They said Amberlink gives the best egger, and their eggs are brown. Plymouth Blue, this is the black one, and that's Amberlink. They both give good eggs. So they're drinking water, so I just let them free range today because it's warm, and I want them to eat all the weeds here at the back of the side of my garage, because when it's summertime there's a lot of weeds here. So maybe while the weeds are still small, they could like peck on it and kill them for me. And for these babies, you always mix the water with the probiotic. So I just put a pinch of it on their water. I do have a big gallon of water in their cage, but now I'm setting them out, so I have that bowl of water for them. And you have to put electrolyte too, because these are babies. It would help them, vitamin supplement for them. So here they are. They're happy. It's sunny. Hey, Link. Oh, I call her Link because she's Amberlink, and this is Blue. I call her Blue because she's a Plymouth Blue.
Mommy.
So I really love these chicks. My chickadees. Hey, Kana. Hi. You are the cutest little thing. I love those chunky cheeks. Chunky cheeks. Hey, you two. Americanas are also winter hardy, so they're good here up north. We really have a bad winter, brutal winter here, but we're planning to put them in the garage by winter because it's really cold here. Aw, you're thirsty. Look at those cheeks. Oh, you are the cutest. Here's the Sapphire Blue Plymouth, and here is Amberlink. Blinky and Blue, how was your day, my little chickies? Oh, you guys are thirsty. Link, stop doing that, Link. I've never seen Blue peck on these little chicks, but Link always do that. It must be their breeds. I think Sapphire, I mean Plymouth Blue are good chicks than Amberlink, I think. They look so cute together. We only have 4 chickens. So I hope they eat all these weeds here, so I don't have to pull them up by summertime. Oh, they're so happy. My happy little chickies.